In this video, we show how to replace the bezel in an R470. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the bezel, insert the key and turn clockwise 90 degrees to unlock position. Then push the release button and slide it out of the system. To install the bezel, first insert the right edge of the bezel into the slot, and then to lock it, just insert the key and turn it counterclockwise to the locked position. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R470, visit dell.com/support.